Well, it's not ice fishing, unfortunately. Um, but ice fixing, more like it. It's fucking cold out here. Got the kerosene heater working up to par. Change out the wick. Get some humidity in the air. Little milk's coming over. Charging Donnie's battery. Can't wait for the new bikes to come in. Got parts. Tires for my one of my Chica's cars. Summer tires. Me tools. Me bikes. Today, I'm going to be taking front cover off, and I'm gonna go for something a little bit less subtle, with hopefully being able to cover the hole that I made in order to make this light up. It's cool, but nah. I mainly did this for a kids. I show my bikes at a trick or treat inside a mall, and oh my God, so many kids, but they just wanted to hop on, and their parents weren't like telling them no. I mean, I did all this. That red's real deep. And I was gonna sell this, but it's the first bike I built. Yeah, I can feel the heat now, man. Yeah. Before it wouldn't go up all the way, just barely lit. Alright, and this is what I call my racer bike. Gotta make some changes. I might go with weight wall tires, or I might make the pulleys and clutch housing white. Might incorporate something white. Yeah, honestly, I think white would look good. But, alright, so task one is take the battery box apart, figure out why it's not charging, and replace that top cover. And Milks needs to finish stripping his bike. He's getting this repainted by, I think, JT Customs. I don't know, name may be pending. But it's a dude that's in my my crew. So I can't wait to see what he can do. Not saying my shit ain't bad. I like it. I like it a lot. But yeah, he impresses me. So we'll see what the hell he could come up with. I don't want to give any details away about what's going on with his bike, but frame wise, motor wise, custom wise, definitely help you out if anybody needs it. But I definitely have contacts to people that really know what they're doing too. But this is mainly what I do. I work on engines, so this one has a 171 PBK. They're just 171s from 150 to now 171. But it's tuned really good. Fat tire in the back really makes my Deadpool look insane, I think. And then this one is, yeah, it's pretty quick. If you've never ridden a scooter, I suggest try it. It's awesome. But to say, see if I can switch this around. No? I really don't know how to do this YouTube shit. Yeah. Well, I guess you don't need to see me. But there's going to be 2 more bikes coming. I'm not going to give away what one of them is, because we're going to hopefully get some info from Milk, see what he wants. people to know. But yeah, I'm getting a what's called a ground killer. Just for the mere fact it starts out 150, pit bike style, Grom style, with a 5-speed manual. So I think to get my wheelie fix and my crazy fix, but not kill myself, that might be a good trade-off. Just something to be able to kick it up when I want, but hopefully I'm mature enough not to really do it all the time, just something. I mean, it's crazy if you really want to see. I love driving in the snow, but up there I got a 2.4. It's a Scion XB manual, so I kick around that in second. Purposely spinning the tires. It's been modified. I can't find an engine flash for it, so I'm kind of stuck at maximum effort right there. But my goal is to, got a little seating area, hang out, put some parts up, hey, I'm not really trying to make money, but I'm trying to keep my passion alive at the same time. So just enough, hey, I'm definitely not a dealer. I can get you a bike. I can have it shipped here. We can put it together, and or I can do it for you. I can get you in line with custom parts, whether it be headlights, instead of running old bulbs, you can get an LED setup. And this is a custom one that I built. But until milk comes, I think this is going to be it. Just want to give you like a little introduction of what's going on here. Yeah, all this stories will come out, I'm sure. But I think I'm going to start recording these on a reg and be able to look back on this. Like my first Ruckus box. Bam, right there. Can't really tell. I'm going to go back to something, I don't even, anime? No. You know what I mean? Just something, just a little different. Not that, and then not what I would consider, like, I like the sizes and shit. Like, I think it's awesome. Windshield, just for, show purposes. Show my crew. There's going to be a cat scoot sticker down here, too. But, that's just a little too much. And to be honest with you, that's the size that was going to go on it. So, I think I'm just going to put that front cover, either utilize another front cover, even if it's a different color match, put a little decal on the front and call it good. Simplistic. And then, I'll be able to maybe light it up so it's the eyes light up blue. Put it up here for show. Panty dropper. Oh yeah. Squirrel underpants. Oh yeah. Alright. Yeah, heater's working pretty good. It's not too bad in here. We're gonna get this ridiculous tire off. It's just flat. It sucks. It's dumb. And go single sided. Reinforce that a little bit. Maybe take CVT apart. Do some maintenance on that. Because you got an impact gun. Over there. Take his carb off. Get new resets. See what he's going to do. If he's going to add some power to this. Or just leave it as is. Because like I said, he's getting another bike too. Yeah, that's is easy. When I tell you, you know, these bikes, they're cheap. They really are. I mean, for you know, 1,000, 2,000 bucks, you get a bike, and that's what it looks like with all the plastics off. That's what it can look like if your taste is similar to mine, or that one's a whole different league, or the ones that we're getting are just going to be a Grom style, a pit bike style, but still a mini class. You got a one cylinder at 150, well, 148 cc if you want to be technical, and most of them. The Life In is 148. Groms, I do believe, are the 125, which is usually a 121, which I'm probably wrong because it's cold and my brain's frozen, but that's what it looks like. Gen 1 will come with these shitty gauges. You know, usually it's for like 1,000 bucks, you can get that frame and then just add on to what you want. You want to go with something, gives you all the information, boom, that'll run about 130. You want something to just, it's digital and analog. You can't really see. I need to figure out, you know, how to use flash and shit, but maybe you can see enough. Or maybe I could turn it on. That would be dope, right? Okay. And can't really see the gauge at all. I don't know why. That's weird. But, you know, it's got neutral, but with a CVT, you don't obviously go by that. You got high beam indicator, left, right indicator, and you got the analog portion, and then you got fuel gauge, you got mile per hour, and then your miles down here. It's just really hard to see it. Yeah, so look at my videos down the road, and you'll be able to see a little bit more of what's going on here. That's my OG China bike system, analog. Yeah, gas gauge that never works. Everyone knows that pain, right? All right, but I get custom parts. I try to build my own parts. Mini replica of my car out there. And that's the other side. That's the front cover that I could use to make a different front cover for the Deadpool bike. But, all right. My name's Chris. I go by Cat, Catman, and part of the Undead Street Crew, Auburn, New York. And my affiliation, if that's even the right terminology, because I'm cold out here, I would say is Cat Scootz. It's kind of my business. It's not really a business, but maybe a hobby name. Just trying to make some people break necks and cause a scene. So, you're interested? Get at me. I have the heat on for you, and let's cause a scene. All right, peace out.